Hi guys, welcome back. Let's get your cards for today. Highest light, general cards, peace for everybody. Loving angels, beautiful guides, wonderful spirit. Please bless this week. 2 cards there. Let's get from the animal totem. Highest light. Also 2. We've got the platypus, stop complaining and focus your attention on the blessings of life. And we've got the gorilla. Take the time to listen compassionately to those that you love, especially your family members. Messages from Spirit, honesty and communication. We've got compassion coming through a second time. And let's get the light activation, Lumerian seed codes, embracing sensitivity, uniqueness, living with grace.